Hey guys, we have a Honda CR-V. We end up installing the dash cam. This is the way it comes out. No wire showing, everything through the rubber boot. It's the way we like it. Everything looks original. It looks like it came with the car. That's what the way the camera looks. I'll show you the front now. This is what the camera looks like. Okay, looks nice. You can see it from every angle. This is a 4-channel one. It has for the left, for the right, and then the camera for the front and then the rear. And it also comes with the app. This is what the camera looks like. We've done every one of them. We've done Red Tiger, Info, Blackview, Thinkware. We've done just about every one of them. This is not a bad camera. If you're in Miami or Fort Lauderdale or Pepper Pines and Homestead, our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we come out to you and we install it. Okay, there's no wire showing anywhere.